Hello guys and welcome to TechTricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to set up Slack for business. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser right here and then just type slack.com. And once we do that, you will be redirected right here. So as you can see, I don't have any Slack account yet. So the next thing that we're going to do is to click create an account, which is right here. And then after that, you can either type your email or you can just continue with Google or with Apple. So I'm just going to continue with Google. And once you have now logged in through your Gmail or Apple account, the next thing that we need to do is to click create a workspace, which is right here. After that, you will be redirected right here again. You will be asked what's the name of your company or team. So let's say, for example right here, and then click next. So just put your name right here so that the people who are going to join on your workspace will see who it is. And you can also add a profile photo if you want to. So I will just leave it as it is. And right here, you will, of course, add the team or the person that will join your workspace. So let's say, for example, this is the one. And then after that, just click next. And then just put what's your team working on right now. So let's say, for example, marketing. Let's put that and then click next again. And then after that, if you want to start with Pro, you will have this kind of discount, but I will just continue with free version. So just click that. And then after that, once you click that, you are now good to go. As you can see, we now have set up a Slack account for business. And so that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechTricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.